Hello everyone, welcome back for another video. Upper body mobility flexibility for your daily life. Many of you have neck pain, upper body stiffness, so I will try to show you something that you can do morning, evening that will be helpful. I hope so. So place your chin on the ground. First, inhale deeply. Exhale. One more. Exhale. From here, place your arms in front of you. Push up your arms. Hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Then place your palms more inside. Elbows push up. Hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Arms closer to your body. From here, we're gonna push up only our upper body and down, up and down, up and down. Let's work. 12. Inhale and up. 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You should push more from your scapula and shoulder blade and down. The next one will be right arm, left arm goes under, right arm in front, and just feel that stretch. Hold 3, 2, 1. Right arm on top on the left, and just twist up. And then switch. Right arm towards the side, left leg, left arm front, and just hold. 3, 2, 1. Continue. Left arm on the top on your right, and just open up. Okay, back. Nice. Chin on the ground, arms open towards the side. From here, we're gonna squeeze up our upper body high as possible. 2, go ahead. 3, nice. 4, push. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 11, 12, and down. Nice one. Place your left arm behind, right arm on the top of your head, chin on the ground. From here, we're gonna inhale. We're gonna exhale and drive our elbows up. Here we go. 10 and 2. Go ahead. 3, high. 4, 5, nice. 6, 7, push. 8, 9, 10. And slowly down. We're gonna switch. Inhale first deeply. Exhale. Right one on top on your left arm behind your head. Squeeze up. Here we go. 1, 2, high. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And on the ground, release. Inhale first deeply. Exhale. Nice. Then we bring our both arms on the back, middle back. From here, we're gonna squeeze our elbows up. Inhale. Exhale and drive off the elbows. 1, squeeze. 2, push. 3, nice. 4, high. 5, good job. 6, squeeze. 7, 8, 9, 10. Squeeze up, hold. Straight arms open towards the side. Keep squeezing your upper back and hold. 3, 2, 1. Arms on the ground. Release. The next one, what we're gonna do, we're gonna raise our upper body, squeezing our shoulders, chin up, from the floor and just down. So chin with upper body working together. Inhale. Exhale, drive up. 12. And 2, 3, 4. Nice. 5, 6. Squeeze up. 7, 8, 9, 10. And release. Okay, one more time. Elbows closer to the ground. From here, just push up from your scapular. Try to look up. Chin up. Hold 3, 2, 1. Release. Again, rotate your palms inside. Head on the ground. Just feel that stretch. Hold 3, 2, 1. Nice and smooth. Release. That's it. Quick practice for your upper body. Hope you find it useful. Take care of yourself. Wish you all the best. Good luck, my friends.